Tilt and spin. We live on planet Earth. It seems like our Earth is holding still, but we know that Earth is a planet moving in space. But did you know that Earth is tilted? Earth is like a spinning top. It rotates because it formed from a spinning cloud of gas and dust. Earth leans a little to one side. Imagine a straw pushed through the center of an orange. The orange doesn't tilt when the straw is straight up. Now, tilt the straw at an angle. The orange tilts in the same direction. The same thing happens with Earth. The straw represents Earth's axis. The axis is an imaginary line from the North Pole to the South Pole. Earth spins around its tilted axis. North Pole, South Pole. Day and night. Earth takes 24 hours to spin one time. We call this period of time one Earth day. During one day, half of Earth always faces toward the sun, and the other half faces away from the sun. The spinning motion of Earth is called rotation. It causes the cycle of day and night. It is daytime on the part of the Earth that faces the sun. It is nighttime on the part of Earth that faces away from the sun. The imaginary line that divides Earth's day side from the night side is called the terminator. Sun, Earth, terminator. Imagine you are on a spaceship looking at Earth. When you look at Earth from the side, it spins from left to right. When you look at Earth from the top, it spins counterclockwise. The reason for seasons. It takes 1 year for Earth to complete a single orbit. During this time, Earth also spins on its axis 365.25 times. 1 year equals 365 days. Earth is the third of 8 planets that orbit Sol, the star we call the sun. Sun, Earth. As it orbits the sun, Earth's tilt causes the seasons. It is summer on the part of the Earth tilted toward the sun. It is winter on the part tilted away from the sun. The path our Earth travels around the sun is called its orbit. Autumn, winter, spring, summer. In winter, days get shorter because less direct sunlight reaches the part of Earth tilted away from the sun. The temperature gets colder when less direct sunlight shines on the Earth. In summer, days get longer because more direct sunlight reaches the part of Earth tilted toward the sun. Our planet never gets too hot or too cold in one spot because Earth is tilting. The temperature gets hotter when more direct sunlight shines on the Earth.